Welcome to Touch to Click. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unlink phone from Windows 11 and stop your PC and mobile from syncing. It takes less than a minute. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the PhoneLink app from the Start menu by searching PhoneLink and clicking the result. This app manages the connection between your PC and phone. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top right inside the app. This opens all connection and device options. Step 3. Click Devices to see the list of linked phones. Here you can manage each connected device. Step 4. Click the 3-dot vertical icon next to your connected phone. This opens the device action menu. Step 5. Click Remove to start unlinking the phone. This stops sync features with your PC. Step 6. Click Remove again to confirm and finish disconnecting. The phone is now unlinked. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.